Hi, good day. My name is Rodrigo Zaires, and as you can see on my screen, this is my picture and my lovely country in the background. Um, I leave you the task to check where I come from, looking at the flag that you see. All right, so today I'm glad to welcome you to our new course, a very unique one on how to create your website using Joomla 3.8. Well, to give you just a little bit of background, why this course? First of all, for you, the person that the audience of this course should be someone that is familiar with PHP, HTML, and CSS. Well, I'm not asking you to be an expert, but at least you need to know a little bit of PHP, HTML, and CSS because you will not really get deep into or dive into uh, I could say this programming language or markup language. I will just advise that you have them in order to understand some specific aspect of creating your business website using Joomla. By the way, Joomla is a free software. It belongs to the free tools and open source tools that you will find on the internet. The problem is Joomla is not used that much. It's because it's a little bit complicated. I can admit that after more than 10 years of experience. However, with this course, I think it will be pretty much easy for you to understand how it works. Though this is not an extensive course of Joomla itself, but it's a much straightforward course for you to get your business website up and bringing you sales. All right. Having said so, let's look at the outline of the course. We'll have three phases in that course. We have a preparation phase, an installation development, and a marketing and maintenance. In the preparation, basically, we will do some planning, finding the best elements that we will need, and jump to the installation and development. And in development, basically, we will be doing the exact work we have to perform to have our website created. And the market and the maintenance is doing the CEO or SEO, not CEO actually, it's SEO, search engine optimization, and health checks and fixes problems that may occur during the lifetime of the website. Just to get a little bit detailed, on the course we have considered important to have a general activities section where you'll find every new uh, I would say news that we have, things that we want you to know, and you'll find that on the announcement. So it will be a very good idea to check on the announcement part of the general activities so you could know exactly what we want you to know. And the chat and forum, those are tools for you to interact between yourselves, students of the course, and also if you want to chat with the professor directly. Wiki and glossary are tools to check some important concepts and then understand exactly what they mean. We might use them as assignments also for you to know how to build them or use them. The second phase that we mentioned, the preparation, will be understanding what kind of hosting providers we have and how to contract the best ones. And of course, at a price that you can pay. We will proceed sharing with you knowledge about domain names. The domain names basically is the name that you give to your website. For example, Technopro, we give our website prosperosiris.com. So we'll be sharing with you the names and how you can choose a name and choose the best name so that it could be favorable in terms of SEO for you. And last not least, design. We see how we could choose a design that is a very nice design and that can fit to your computer screen or your mobile device screen. We have other things as well that we have not mentioned that, but you'll see more details once you subscribe to the course itself. And the development, it's basically doing the work, like creating the database for the website, the security required, and using the control panel of your hosting provider. And we will even talk about how you create your email so that people can interact with you via emails using your private domain or the domain or the name of your business on your email. And we'll see also how to install Joomla, which is exactly the platform that we will be using, what they call CMS or Content Management System. We'll see all that during the course. And the design, how to customize it so it could look exactly how we want it to be look. And the content that we'll be uploading, how we can structure them so that it could fit and look nice on the web. Last not least, how we will be able to make the people outside or our clients or our prospects know about our business. We'll be basically using Google tools such as Google Analytics, Google Tag, and Google Search Console. We'll be also teaching you how to troubleshoot problems normally that arise during the lifetime of your website or business website. And also, we will share with you knowledge on data analysis, analyzing your data, and then take actions in order for your business to grow as you move along. Well, if I were you, I would not miss this opportunity to learn such knowledge. And this is going to be a unique course, the way it will be structured and then they will be shared with you and it will be online. So nowadays, every business is trying to find a way to be online. So it is your opportunity to find how to create your own website, or else you would have to pay thousands of dollars to have it up and running and maintain it. So you want to start now, you would have to just scan this QR code or click on the link where it says click here so you could join our WhatsApp group. Once you're there, if you are among the 10 first registrations, you'll have access for free to this course, and the rest will have to pay because this costs money. Creating website or maintaining website, you have to pay money for that. But we agree to give the first 10 registrations free access to the course. And we promise you what we say you will get as results, you will definitely have them. And we're here if ever you need some coaching or whatever. All right, so we'll be waiting for you. Don't forget to share this video or subscribe to our channel if we have new videos published. Bye bye for now, and we will be waiting for your registration. Bye bye. Good day.